Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a live review of the Lion's Mane Mushroom Capsules by Doublewood Supplements. So let's get into a little bit about this. This one is grown in the United States, so legitimate mushroom capsules, manufactured in the US as well. It's 500 milligrams of lion's mane, and there are 120 capsules in here. So 500 milligrams per capsule of lion's mane mushroom. Their serving size is 2 capsules, which means there are 60 servings in this container. And it's saying that lion's mane is a dietary mushroom commonly taken as a supplement for many different health benefits. Our lion's mane mushroom is both grown and, again, manufactured in the US. They recommend to take this 2 capsules in the morning with food, and if you choose, a second dose may be safely taken later in the day as well, it says. Also, it gives you non-GMO, gluten-free, GMP quality stamps, which I really love. So I'm very excited to try this out myself, especially in the morning. There obviously is a protected seal when you first open it up, as well as we love all that cotton ball that comes out of things. But here is what the pill capsule looks like. As you can see, the mushroom has been grounded down to a powder and placed in this capsule. So I am personally really excited to try this out. If you're looking for something that helps with brain support, immune health support, you might want to check this out as well, especially before the winter months come.